Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking your shot and exposure. You need identical frames for a believable clone. Set a tripod, turn off auto exposure, and mark positions on the floor. Film the first performance with you on the left, then reset and film the second on the right, keeping gestures consistent and timing similar. Make a sharp clap or use a slate to create a sync point so your audio lines up. Once done, import both clips into your editor and line them up on the timeline by matching that sync marker. Now you composite. Stack the two clips, with the left take on the bottom and the right above. Add a mask to the top clip that reveals only the area where that performance lives. Use a pen tool for precise edges, then feather slightly to blend. If your camera moved, track and animate mask points across the timeline so edges remain clean. Adjust color and exposure between layers. Use a subtle color match or curves to ensure skin tones and shadows read as one continuous scene. Make sure audio lanes are organized and mute. Finish by rendering a short segment to examine seams and motion blur. Subtle differences show up when you play full screen. If you see ghosting, tighten mask edges or use frame-by-frame rotoscoping on problematic moments. Sometimes a small clone stamp patch fixes overlapping artifacts. When both people briefly overlap, hand animate masks to avoid cuts. Once satisfied, export at your project resolution and codec. If things still look off, recheck exposure matching and reshoot with stricter position timing. Reshoots.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.